Hello friends. Next question is, what are the advantages of Tally ERP9? This question is asked in 2016 and 2018 question paper for 5 marks. Tally ERP9 is business accounting and financial management software that offers innumerable technology advantages. There are many advantages of Tally ERP9. The first advantage is data reliability. The tool is robust. The Tally is very strong. That even power failures or machine shutdown during functioning does not affect data stored in Tally database. If power goes suddenly or if anybody shut down the computer, then you will not lose the data. The data is present in the computer. So in Tally, data is saved automatically. It auto saved. It's not necessary to click save button. It saves automatically. What are the transition you done in computer? It saves automatically. Next, second advantage is data security. Data integrity checks also ensure that no external modification to the data can intervene with Tally. Data is very secure. Okay, any external modification, any other person can't modify the data. Okay, only authorized persons only can modify it. Any unknown person, any unauthorized person can't modify any data in Tally. So it is very secured. Data audit. Third advantage is data audit. A specified user can be given administrator right to check for correctness of entries entered by authorized users and make changes where required. So authorized users enter the data, enter the transaction. The higher level authority can check the data what he entered. Okay, if anything want to change, he can change. Okay, only authorized users only can enter the data, and administrator give rights to some persons, to some users. Only that users can check the data and they can modify it. Any unauthorized users can't modify, can't enter the data. Clear, no? Next, fourth advantage is Tally Vault. Data encryption option available in Tally is called Tally Vault. Okay, data encryption means data is converted in other form. Okay, if you type the password, okay, you can't see that password. It display in other form. Okay, that is data is encrypted. Okay, data is converted in encryption form. You can't see what you typed. Data encryption standard method prevents breaking of password for the vault. Okay, you can't change the password. You can't understand the password. Okay, while you create the company, you entered the password. That password can't be changed by other persons. Only authorized users only can understand the password. Only can only change the password. Any unauthorized person can't see the password, can't change the password. Next advantage is remote access. Tally ERP9 comes with remote access to promote the delivery of invoice without having to access it physically. Movement of invoices to and from the headquarter to branches. So remote access means what? Sitting in one computer, you can access other computers' data. Suppose from headquarter, okay, he can access the data of his branches in other places. Clear, no? Okay, it's not necessary to go to that branch only and see the data. Okay, so he can sitting in one computer, sitting in his computer, he can see other computers' data, other branches' data. Clear, no? Tally makes business easy. Small-sized organizations need to evaluate their finances daily. Tally ERP9 enables you to assess your daily transaction to help you take steps towards profit, not a loss. Okay, in Tally you can see daily transaction. You can see only today's transaction. You can see only yesterday's transaction. So you can see daily transactions. Okay, so you can predict how to get the profit. Okay, Tally assist you to how to get the profit. Same for the medium and large scale organization where need to check on flow is important, and Tally assist the same. Even in medium and large scale organization also, okay, they can see the daily transactions, and Tally assist how to get the profit. Clear, no? Thank you.